goes aside from my soul.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another vlog day in my life. I'm trying to do as many of these as I can before I have to start my full-time job. And if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure to press that subscribe button. Today we have lots going on. It's going to be a busy day. I'm gonna start off my day with an at-home workout because I didn't do one. I feel like shit. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I was telling you how I wanted to kind of like get into a program because I have never had to do at-home workouts with like little to no equipment. But one of my good friends has started this amazing company that is so awesome, and I really wanted to tell you guys about it because it's something that I'm passionate about, that he's passionate about. Overall, a really awesome program just built from the ground up to really just better yourself. It's made for any person of age, any fitness level. Actually something that I think I'm going to be on the other side of eventually. As you guys know, I did fail my personal training exam, but I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it eventually. I think that during the quarantine, everyone has really realized that you don't need to go to a gym to be successful with any kind of like weight loss or basically whatever you wanna do to reach your fitness goals. The brand is called Team 8 Fitness. Actually, if you guys saw during quarantine, we were making TikToks, like little at-home fitness workouts. But it's really awesome because you get set up with a personal trainer. They'll give you your meal plan, your workouts for the week. You check in with them daily, weekly. It's really cool because it's very private. Like you guys get your own private app. That app is so cool. So I really wanted to share this with you guys in case you were looking for a personal trainer. Personally, for me, at-home workouts are really tough because I can stand in my kitchen or my living room and do the workouts. But if I'm getting lazy, I don't have anyone to sit there. You know, it's not like you're in the gym where you're pushing yourself more because there's people around. I am someone that needs motivation, whether it's the motivation of just being in the gym surrounded by other people or having a personal trainer. The thing that's best about this is it's all catered to you. You know, you have that one personal trainer that's gonna hold you accountable. Prices are super reasonable, which is huge. I know for a lot of us, you know, we might still not be working, and it's not just for at home. Well, gyms in New Jersey and Pennsylvania just opened. Your trainer will give you workouts to do in the gym, workouts to do at home, wherever you are. That's what I really like about it, is that it's really catered to the client. And especially with eating, your meals are all catered to you. You don't have to give up foods that you enjoy. You can modify them. I think what my friend did with this brand and this app and this company, I personally have not seen anyone do it before, and I know how passionate he is about it. It's been such a huge success since he launched the program. You guys can follow them on Instagram. It's Team 8 Fitness. Also, like, how cute is this feed? I think the reason that this is so awesome is you get all of the benefits of having a personal trainer and having a health coach, you know, someone to tell you what to eat and give you those meal plans at such a cheaper price. This is not sponsored, but I do have a link if you guys want to sign up. I highly recommend checking it out, even if it's just a consultation with a personal trainer. With that being said, I am going to start putting together my own at-home workouts. I'm gonna go do one right now, and then I'm gonna go on a nice little walk to start my morning. So I really wanted to come on here and tell you guys about this just because it's something I'm passionate about. I'm gonna get my workout started because it is already 11:30 and we have lots to do today. About an hour later now, it's 11:30. I worked out for exactly 59 minutes. I am going to go shower. I'm gonna make like a little egg scramble. Hi guys, I'm back in the kitchen and it's time to make some breakfast because the girl is hungry. I am gonna make a little egg scramble today actually, so I'm just gonna use some frozen broccoli because I do need to go grocery shopping. I really don't have much produce in this house anymore. This is like the last of the spinach and I don't have any bananas. And then I'm gonna do some egg whites and then a little bit of this cheese, and I really want tomato tomatoes, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna use a little bit of the canned tomatoes, but I don't know, I've never tried these in an omelet, but I'm sure they're okay. And then some spinach. I'm gonna just scramble this all up, throw some salt, pepper, and everything but the elote seasoning. So this is the finished product. It actually looks so good, and it's 1:30, so like I need to eat. I just took a picture for my story. It looks so good. And now I'm gonna throw a little bit of ketchup on here. Let me know if you guys eat ketchup on your eggs. So I just ate my breakfast. I was on the phone with my brother for a little while, but I'm heading out now. I figured I would show you guys my outfit today. My table and chairs got delivered, and when I tell you that this was the absolute worst process I've ever had to go through in my life, I'm not even kidding you. I'm like good with building stuff, but this was the worst thing that I've ever attempted in my life. So I'm leaving it, and Justin's such an angel. He's gonna do it for me. This is my outfit today. I just have on this like, sorry, I'm like trying not to step on this. This like beige t-shirt from Urban Outfitters, my favorite comfy shorts, Air Force Ones, and then my new bag that I just got. Let's go. I'm gonna go walk to go get some groceries, and I'm gonna come back, put my groceries away, get in my car, and I think I'm gonna go into Center City. I think I'm gonna go walk to a Goodwill or something, so let's go.
Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
So I just got back, figured I'd do a little grocery haul. It is absolutely disgusting outside. I thought I was gonna go out there and I was like, oh, fall. No, nope. It's like 95 degrees in Philadelphia today. Really only needed produce. I got some bananas. Shit. You know what? Like, I got some grapes, but I only buy them when they're on sale because they can get really pricey. I got a cucumber, a bag of spinach, and arugula. I got some lemon ginger tea. I got some lilies because they were like $4 for this bag. I love these little things. I love keeping them in the house. I love chocolate peanut butter. It's my favorite combo of stuff. I got this because it was on sale. I love the Violife cheeses. Truthfully, I think Violife is the best brand of vegan cheese. And then I got some fat-free feta crumbles because I love them. Lastly, I got 2 juices because they were 2 for $4. My stomach has been really acting up, so I just wanted to get some juices. I'm probably gonna drink both of these within the hour. I just got a green refresher, and it's apple cider, carrot juice, cucumber juice, celery juice, passion fruit powder, and then beet blast, which is apple cider, carrot juice, tomato puree, and beet powder, celery juice, orange juice, and stevia. I'm gonna go put this stuff away. See you guys when I'm on my journey to find some good finds at Goodwill, because I need some like cheap decor. Like a bitch's budget is like done, like it's out. The Goodwill store literally like just doesn't exist. I pulled up, I parked, and it's just not here. Like it's not here. I'm so sad. My last vlog, I tried to go thrift shopping, didn't work out. This vlog, tried to go thrift shopping, didn't work out. So Plato's Closet and Goodwill were both a fail today, which really sucks. I don't understand. It literally says it's like right here on the street, and it's just not there anymore. I don't know if they shut down during COVID or something, but I'm gonna try and go to the other one that I wanted to go to the other day. That involves parking in Rittenhouse, and that's just so impossible. But yeah, I guess we'll try it out. I'm like so annoyed. I just pulled into this parking spot and I go to pay and it says it's not allowed. I just don't understand. And I'm pissed because I didn't even know that Philly had a Brandy Melville, and I'm literally looking at it right next to me. I'm so sad. I want to go in there so badly. I'm gonna try and find another spot because I really want to go to the thrift shop, and now I really want to go to Brandy Melville. Wish me luck, because I don't know what's going on in this city today, but it's like, it literally is like New York right now. I can't handle that.
I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul.
Back home. It's 6 o'clock now. Traffic was literally so crazy tonight. I really don't know why. I'm gonna eat some dinner now. I want to end my eating a little bit earlier tonight just because I have been having horrible SIBO flare-ups the past like 2 days. So I'm gonna make a light dinner. I have some leftovers that I'll show you guys. You guys know I always love to have a like chicken turkey bolognese. That's like one of my go-to dinners, that with like some chickpea pasta or something. So I have some leftovers in here, and then I'm gonna make a salad, the one that I actually showed you guys in my last vlog. So these are leftover red lentil noodles. I really like these a lot actually. And then I'm just gonna do the rest of this. So I'm gonna heat this up and make my salad. I'm just gonna do some arugula, my new favorite dressing, the almond butter turmeric salad dressing. I also obviously showed this in my last vlog. I got these salad tongs from IKEA and I'm like actually obsessed with them because I feel like in a sense it like muddles it. Does that make any sense? Probably not. They're just perfect for like single served salads like this one. I'm just gonna throw a few grapes in here and then a little bit of the fat-free feta. So this is dinner tonight, you guys. It looks so good. If you're looking for this kind of recipe, I have one very similar linked in my Instagram story highlights under the cook with me one. I'm actually gonna end off this vlog here just because I'm just gonna shower and get ready for bed and then head over to Justin's. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you're enjoying the vlogs. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.